What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO credit card cash installment application deducted already from your credit limit. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin na to guys? Nag-apply kayo ng cash installment sa BDO credit card ninyo, tapos na-deduct na sa credit limit ninyo, tapos hindi pa siya pumasok doon sa nominated account ninyo. What I mean is nabawasan na yung credit limit ninyo, pero hindi pa rin pumasok doon kung ano yung nilagay ninyong account, kung savings account yon or kung ano, hindi pa rin pumasok yung pera na kinash installment ninyo sa BDO credit card na yon. Ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo kung ano yung reason at saka ano yung dapat nyong gawin. Huwag kayong mag-panic guys kasi it's a normal process. So ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo yung further details para at least maging aware kayo at hindi kayo nagpapanik bakit ganon yung nangyayari. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see dito guys, here, BDO cash installment deductions usually occur upon approval. While funds are credited to your account within 1 to 3 banking days or instantly if using a BDO savings account in some cases. If the limit is deducted but the funds haven't arrived, it is likely in processing or pending bank transfer timing. So ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin nito guys? Isa-isahin natin. BDO cash installment deduction usually occur upon approval. So ngayon, nangyayari kasi guys, nag-apply kayo ng cash installment sa BDO credit card ninyo, tapos na-approve na yon. Automatic yun babawasan yung credit limit ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo. While funds are credited to your account within 1 to 3 banking days or instantly if using a BDO savings account in some cases. So as you can see dito guys, yung funds niya is i-credit pa lang right after ma-deduct doon sa credit limit sa credit card ninyo 1 to 3 banking days before siya mapasok sa nominated account ninyo or kung ano yung beneficiary account kumbaga. Like for example is, halimbawa, nag-cash installment kayo sa BDO credit card ninyo, tapos yung ginamit yung savings account is BPI. So there's a certain period of time before siya makredit doon sa account na yon. While sa BDO, sometimes instant siya. Meaning, the moment na nag-deduct sa credit card ninyo sa BDO, papasok agad. Pero not all the time guys, ganun siya. Kaya naman it comes with consideration, no? Kailangan nyo rin maintindihan at huwag kayo nagpapanik. Kasi hindi naman lahat, hindi naman all the time na instant yung crediting. It comes with, alam mo yun, processing time talaga. If the limit is deducted but funds haven't arrived, it is likely in processing or pending bank transfer timing zone. So, ibig sabihin, kapag nabawasan na yung credit limit ng BDO credit card na yon, antayin nyo lang kasi i-credit din naman talaga yan. So, di yung mga kailangan yung maintindihan. Check timing. Transactions made after 3 p.m. on weekends or on holidays are processed on the next banking days. So, meron kasing sinasabing cut-off guys, no? Yung transactions, halimbawa, nagpa-cash installment kayo, tumawag sila, tapos na-approve na. After 3 p.m., on the next banking days pa kasi yan mapaprocess. Although nag-deduct na sa credit limit ninyo sa BDO. Kailangan talaga is parang patience is the key, no? Kailangan nyo talaga mag-antay ng processing time. Verification. If the funds do not appear within 3 banking days, call the BDO contact center at 632-498-400. Ngayon, after promising time frame, no, kasi sinasabi, up to 3 to 5 banking days. Ngayon, antayin nyo muna yung 5 banking days. As you can see dito, 3 banking days lang yung nilagay. Pero sometimes, bigyan nyo sila ng extension. Lalong-lalo na kasi kung marami yung nag-a-apply ng BDO credit card installment or cash it easy, kumbaga. Nagkakaroon talaga siya ng delay sa pagpasok or crediting ng funds doon sa nominated savings account ninyo. Failed transactions. If the deposit is unsuccessful, BDO will reverse the transaction and restore your credit limit. Ngayon, if ever guys na nag-fail yung transferring ng money doon sa savings account na kung ano yung nilagay ninyo na kung saan doon ipapasok yung pera na kinash installment ninyo sa BDO credit card, if unsuccessful siya, don't worry kasi i-reverse lang yan doon sa credit limit ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo. Huwag na huwag kayo nagpapanik guys kasi kung legit naman yung process na bawasan yung credit limit ninyo, most of the time, papasok naman talaga yon. Kailangan nyo talaga mag-antay kasi may processing time na sinasabi. For updates, check your status via BDO Online Application or BDO Pay. But I suggest guys, tumawag na lang kayo sa video customer service to ask about the details para at least malinawan kayo kung talagang hindi kayo convinced, no? Kailangan talaga mula talaga sa video confirmation. So, pero antayin nyo muna yung 3 to 5 banking days na sinasabi ko. As you can see guys, banking days siya. So meaning hindi kasama yung weekends and holidays. Ngayon kung nagkasunod-sunod yung holidays, tumapat yung weekends, yon, medyo matagal-tagal yon. So kailangan nyo mag-antay, hindi po kasama yung holidays and weekends sa 3 banking days. Kaya piliin nyo talaga yung may office hours lang or may trabaho kumbaga. The cash installment principal amount together with interest and installment availment fee will be deducted from and should be within the card holder's available credit limit. So ito guys, nais kung malaman ninyo na kapag nag-apply kayo ng cash installment sa BDO credit card ninyo, lahat-lahat yon, yung interest at saka yung availment fee, is i-deduct na yan sa credit limit sa BDO credit card ninyo. Kaya naman minsan nagugulat kayo, di ba? Bakit ang laki ng dineduct sa credit limit ninyo? Bakit yung kinash installment ko is 100,000 lang, tapos nabawasan ako ng 120,000, di ba? Kasi binawas na doon yung interest charges. Huwag kayo nagpapanik. Kaya naman huwag kayo magtaka kung bakit mas malaki yung nawala sa credit limit ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo. Tulad nga ng sabi ko, kung 100,000 lang yung kinash installment ninyo, tapos nabawasan kayo ng 120, it's because chinarge na kasama doon yung interest. Tapos, i-divide na lang siya kung ilang buwan ninyo gustong bayaran. Like for example, 120 yung dineduct sa 100,000 ninyo na kinash installment. So yung 120 na yun, i-divide siya kung ilang months, then yun yung magiging monthly amortization ninyo. In case the deposit of cash installment receipt is unsuccessful, BDO shall correspondingly reverse the cash installment transaction posted in your credit card account. The cardholder acknowledges the responsibility to check and ensure availability of cleared cash proceeds prior any withdrawal and or use of the funds. So, kailangan nyo maintindihan guys na if ever na ganun yung nangyari, dapat aware kayo sa balance ng account ninyo. Or lalo-lalo na yung available credit limit na natira after the deduction. Tapos ngayon, i-check mo before kayo gumamit. Like for example, if may pumasok na reversal. Kasi yes, if ever na hindi naging matagumpay or hindi nag-success yung transferring ng pera, like for example, nag-close yung account na yon. So yung mangyayari talaga is mag-fail yung transferring of funds sa kinash installment ninyo sa BDO credit card ninyo. Kaya naman, huwag kayo nagpapanik guys if ever na nag-deduct na. Lalong-lalo na if alam nyo naman na legitimate yung transaction na yon. Tumawag kayo, nag-request kayo ng BDO credit card cash installment, tapos yung nangyari lang is nabawasan na siya. Tulad ng sabi ko, huwag kayo nagpapanik if ever na nag-cash installment lang kayo ng 100,000 or 50,000, tapos lagpas yung binawas sa credit limit niyo sa BDO credit card. That is normal, guys. Huwag na huwag kayo nagpapanik. Kasi kasama na doon yung interest na babayaran mo doon sa kung magkano yung kinash installment ninyo. So I think that's all for now. Sana may na-share ako. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!